I see there's 4 shots here. I want to ask Harrison 4 questions before we go. This one here is apple cider vinegar. We have a mixture of pickle juice, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar, lemon juice and Tabasco. We have 4 left. We don't want to waste it. So I'm going to give Harrison 4 questions to answer or to drink. Can you tell us how much you get paid a week on the show?
Why would I even? So roughly a week.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
All right. Who has been your favourite director of the blocks thus far? Who's your favourite?
I don't need that. I've got my answer.
Rank them from best to the worst.
That's not the question.
Oh, that'll be the next one then. Rank them from best to worst.
No. I'll say my favourite.
Okay, yeah, I'll give you that.
My favourite director was 2. I really like 2.
Oh,
He
nice.
was great.
I haven't gotten to work with them, so that's
fun.
guttering to hear.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favourite, mum or dad?
In life?
Yeah.
Oh, Dad. I'm joking. I'm joking back. Oh, both of them.
Do you guys have a question behind camera that would absolutely stump him?
What's the number 1 thing nephew can work on?
Ooh, this is great.
Life and the
And live.
communication. Let's be real. We've worked together for quite a while. I'd say just communication. And he probably knows it.
Yeah, oh, definitely.
That's okay.
Definitely.
That's okay. Lovely guy.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I reckon you take the shot because of that. Because your communication is shocking. So you can have it.
Oh, that's hot.
Now what a game. Thank you.
Oh, it's Ahikāroa.
Ahikāroa and
MāORI Plus.